Welcome back to the channel. Today a quick video on how to change your air filter for your Kia Sedona or Kia Sorento. Most of the Kia are the same. In this case, this is pretty easy. I buy this filter on Amazon. This is the code for this filter. So this is pretty easy. You just have to pull just like this. And now you just take your two fingers and pull just like this. So as you see, this filter is pretty due. So what you can do, today is a cloudy day, but you can always take a look to the sun and see if the light can pass through the filter. And if the light can easily pass through the filter, this is a pretty good sign that your filter is still good. But in this case, as you see, it is pretty dirty. And now with the new filter, you want this lip at the top. So you just, anyway, you can not miss this part because it won't enter. So this lip at the top, and you just have to slide the new filter in place. Gently, just like that. And now you can close the door and hear the snap. So don't pay your mechanic to do this because the filter cost me around 12 bucks and it takes only 1 minute to do. So thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.